welcome back to my channel. My name's Charlie. If you've not seen this face before, I do beauty, lifestyle, fashion, you name it, I try it, kind of videos on my channel. So today I've got for you my October Birchbox that looks a little bit like this, and that's what I'm going to show you today. So don't forget, if you enjoy this video, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's jump on straight into the video. Okay, so today I have got for you my October Birchbox. It looks really cute and autumnal here. I've got some really nice pretty flowers as part of the design on here, and it says days like these on the front in nice gold foiling, which I think is really cute. And we've got a nice sort of pinky red kind of drawer that matches with the flowers on the front. So as you can tell, this is a very sort of autumn themed box, which is really cool. And as usual, I've got my little booklet, so I will read to you what is written inside and show you the products that I've got in my Birchbox this month. So as always, there is always a little bit of an explanation as to the theme behind the box, so here it goes. Following a hectic summer, we're welcoming the new season with a change of pace. Emblazoned on this month's box, Days Like These is all about embracing autumnal nostalgia in the best way possible, slowing down, cozying up at home, and indulging in the first of many pumpkin spice lattes. Must confess, I've had one already, so we're definitely in autumn. What else have we got to say here? So sit back, relax, and meet the beauty treats that will be joining you on your journey into autumn. Lovely. So the first item is the one that I knew I was going to get this month because I could choose the two different options. So every month there's usually something that you can choose. Maybe it might be a design or a different product that you can have in your box. So this month we had a choice between two different face masks. I've gone for the gold one. There was also a silver one as well. This is the warming gold foil mask with hyaluronic acid and Q10, which sounds very interesting. So it says here that this high-tech sheet mask is infused with hydrating hyaluronic acid and regenerating Q10. Its self-warming foil helps ingredients to deeply penetrate skin to improve elasticity, reduce fine lines, and boost glow. Apply it to clean skin, leave for 15 to 20 minutes, then remove and massage in any excess serum. Lovely, easy to follow, and it's nice and warming, so I could definitely do that on a cold day and that will make me pretty happy. So this is it here. So this is the one that I've chosen, and of course this is a full size item. Imagine if it was only half your face or something that was in there, that would just be weird. So yeah, this is a full size item, and the RRP for this is £5.95. So the next item I have is the Winky Lux Strobing Balm in Radiant Pink. So I don't know what a strobing balm is, but I'm guessing that's basically a highlighter. So this cruelty-free highlighter, there we go, glides onto skin with ease thanks to this creamy texture for a beautiful glow and reflective sheen wherever you apply it. Use your sponge or your fingers to blend it into skin wherever you want to add radiance. Try on your cheekbones, down the bridge of your nose, and on your cupid's bow. So I am all for anything that can make me just that little bit more glowy, so I'll be very excited to give this one a go. So this is a strobing balm, and it's got a really sort of nice rosy goldy pinky kind of shade to it, which I am really excited by. So I'm definitely really looking forward to giving this little beauty a go. The RRP for this is £15, and this is a sample size. So this is the Amica product I've got this month, and I had an Amica product before and I really liked it, and that was a dry shampoo. So to see another Amica product in my box, I am very excited for this month. So this is a soul food nourishing mask. So let's see what this says about this. So fight split ends and dryness and improve overall hair health with this pampering all-natural mask. Omega-rich sea buckthorn berry works to intensely hydrate strands, repair damage, and seal frayed ends. After shampooing, just slather it generously onto the mid-lengths and ends of your hair and leave for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse away. I can definitely give that a go. It is a small bottle, but it feels like there's quite a lot in there, so I will definitely give this one a go. I loved a good hair product to try out. My hair is just rubbish, so I am really excited to give something else a go that will help this out. This is most definitely a sample size, and the RRP for this is £20. Now I have something that I am really intrigued by because of the colour of it and what's in it. This is a multifunctional soap sponge charcoal, and it just looks like a black bar of soap really in the packet here. So this is the Daily Concept Multifunctional Charcoal Soap Sponge, so it's just got a short name for this one. This 2-in-1 soap sponge combines a detoxifying charcoal cleanser with a gentle exfoliating sponge, so you can skip a step in your skincare routine. Wet the sponge, squeeze it to create a foam, then lather up. The charcoal will gently purify and balance all skin types. After rinsing clean, bask in squeaky clean feelings. So, very excited to give this a go. My face definitely needs some extra care, and with charcoal I hear good things, so I'm very excited to give this little beauty a go. This one is a full-size item and the RRP for this is £6. Now I've got something that I didn't expect to get in my box, but I was quite interested by it, and it is the Schmidt's Bergamot and Lime deodorant. I was never expecting to get a deodorant, but I'm surely going to try it out because it is a beauty box. It doesn't say just makeup and skincare, so very excited to give this one a go. So this is the natural deodorant Bergamot and Lime. Show your underarms some love with this no nasties deodorant made from 100% all natural ingredients and amazing essential oils. It smells incredible. I can testify it really does smell incredible. I actually really love the smell of this. It's very kind of citrusy, fruity, which is right up my street. This effective formula uses plant-based powders instead of aluminium to neutralise scent and absorb dampness. Apply to underarms in the morning and stay dry all day. So I am very keen to give this one a go. It smells great, so yeah, definitely happy to give this one a try. This one is a full-size item and the RRP for this is £10.50, so it better be good for that price tag because I wouldn't normally stretch that far for a deodorant, so we'll find out. And last up, we had an extra item in our box this month, so you usually get 5 items, so we got an extra 6th, and it is a little sample sachet here. This is the Luminum Hydrating Recharge Overnight Cream, so I will definitely be giving this one a go. Lock in moisture from dusk till dawn with this rich moisturiser that promises to nourish tired skin and restore radiance while you sleep. Rich shea butter and birch sap work in harmony to hydrate, leaving your complexion feeling boosted, recharged and revitalised for the day ahead. Apply to face and neck in the evening after cleansing. So I am very keen to try things that I can use during the night while I'm asleep and I don't have to worry about. So yeah, definitely going to give this one a go. I'm very excited to give that a try. So of course that was a sample size as well. The RRP for that is £17.90p. So guys, that is what is in my Birchbox for this month. We have a spoiler on the back to show us what we're going to get this next month. And there is a Pick a Full Size Manara Kadar Diamond Dust Rollerball Eyeshadow worth £15. Very excited. So you get to choose from Pixie or Enchanted. So we've got the 2 different shades on the back there to give a go. So yeah, very excited to try these ones out and very happy with the items I've got in my box this month, so I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. Give me a comment down below what's your favourite item from my Birchbox this month, and also let me know if there's any other videos you'd like to see from me. I am definitely open to suggestions. I will see you very soon. Bye.